Hello, in front of me I've got AUDI SQ5. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster. On the right side we've got the panel, thanks to which we can enable navigation volume, go to favorite function, answer calls, activate voice assistant, change volume of the radio, and change radio station. If you press right here, of course you will use horn, and here, behind the steering wheel, we've got the lever, thanks to which we can activate speed limiter and manage it. Also you can change distance from the following car. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.